A block B is pushed momentarily along a horizontal surface with an initial velocity v. If mu is the coefficient of sliding friction between B and the surface, block B will come to rest after a time. According to the problem, this horizontal surface is rough, and it is said that block B is pushed momentarily along a horizontal surface with initial velocity v. Now let us find out the FBD on block B. Its weight mg acts vertically downwards. Normal force given by the horizontal force will be vertically upwards, and as the block is moving towards to right, because of this relative motion with respect to the horizontal surface, there comes a frictional force to oppose this relative motion. Since frictional force is unbalanced force, and as it is against to the motion, it produces deceleration in the block. So F net is equal to minus F. F net is written as mass into acceleration, which is equal to minus mu times normal reaction force. And from the FBD, normal reaction force is equal to mg because the block B is in vertical equilibrium. So we can write ma equal to as minus mu times mg. So this implies acceleration is equal to minus mu g. Now he is asking to find the time after which the block will come to rest. So its initial velocity is given as v, its final velocity is 0, acceleration is minus mu g. Now he is asking to find a time. Therefore from v is equal to u plus at, we can write this as 0 equals to v minus mu g into t. So on simplification we get t equals to as v upon mu g. Therefore the block will come to rest after a time of v upon mu g. Therefore the correct option is 1.